Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Focus car key battery. Begin by locating the key release button and removing the mechanical key blade. Pry open the fob seam carefully, remove the old CR2032 battery, note its orientation, insert the new battery with the correct side up, snap the housing closed, and test the remote functions like lock, unlock, and trunk to confirm proper operation. Follow these removal steps slowly and with gentle force to avoid breaking plastic tabs or bending the circuit board. Pry open at the seam, work around the perimeter, and keep track of small clips. Once open, note the battery orientation and take a quick photo if unsure. Replace the CR2032 only with a fresh battery, avoid touching contacts, and reassemble by aligning tabs, pressing firmly until you hear a click. When reassembling, press the halves together evenly to prevent misalignment and avoid pinching the circuit. Verify the mechanical key blade fits securely and operates in the door and ignition. Stand close to the car when testing remote functions and try each button twice to confirm signal and range. If functions fail, reopen the fob to check battery orientation and contact cleanliness before repeating the assembly process carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.